Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to Lesson 2 Point Composition Project Point 6, Original Line. So we are once again working with Merrily We Roll Along, and now we are going to use this final staff. What we need to do is write a melody that fits with our chord progression. So it needs to include at least one passing tone and at least one neighbor tone, but other than that, it's up to us. So a good rule of thumb when you're writing a melody is that you should probably be able to sing it. All of these folk tunes that we've been looking at are, by definition, singable melodies because they've been passed down as folk tunes, so people are able to sing them generally. So if I went like 1 7 2 7 1, like jumping all around, that's not great. Looking at all these melodies, they mostly move by step. There are a few smaller leaps, and if there are big leaps, they usually come down or come back in the opposite direction. So like maybe I go well, I'm looking at my melody. I go 3 2 1 2 3. Maybe I go 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, that's hip. And I already got passing tones. 1 2 3 2 1 7 1. Okay, got a neighbor tone in there. Now I don't have to worry about that anymore. Great, bam, out of the way. Keeps doing this rhythmic motive. Maybe I want to do a similar thing. 1 2 3 2 1 7 1 2 1 2 3 2 3. Okay, I'm digging that. And then so I notice starts out similarly. Maybe I do the same thing. 1 2 3 2 1 7 1. And then it goes off in a different direction. 1 7 1 da 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 da. That sounds hip. So what was that I just sang? I know what I want it to sound like in my head. Now I need to translate that onto paper. This is just like a dictation. 1 7 1 da 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 da. Okay, so that just moves down by step. 4 3 3 2 2 1. So now I take a look at this, and it's like, does this work with the chords? It sounds good in my head as a melody, but that 1 7 1. So I have a passing. I guess all of these are neighbors. Passing, neighbor. What's that? That's not a chord. That's not a chord tone. It's a C. It's not a passing tone. It's not a neighbor tone because it doesn't move by step. Darn, can't do that. Okay, so 5 1 7 1 5 5. There's 1 3 5 1 7 1 5 4 3 2 2 1. There we go. And now that's a passing tone, and we're good to go. So if you should have at least one passing tone and one neighbor tone, and all of your non-chord tones should be labelable. They should all be passing tones or neighbor tones. So here's my new melody. 1 2 3 2 1 7 1 3 2 1 2 3 2 3 1 2 3 2 1 7 1 5 4 3 2 2 1. And a lot of that, I kind of just looked at the melody and took my own take on it. So it doesn't have to be like I am creating an entirely original thing that has nothing to do with the original. No, it should have something to do with the melody because it's the same chord progression, and that's fine, and that's a good thing as long as it's not like exactly the same thing. So that's what's going on, and I will see you next time.